What is going on, Haspin Hotel? Hell of a boss. Hello, Burst fans. Speaking with Autism Productions here. That's right. RWAP. Speaking with 54 here. That's right. And welcome to my another reaction episode of the Haspin Hotel Season 1. It is a finale I'm gonna react to. Though it is the episode 8. The show must go on. That is right. This is the Season 1 finale. So after I reacted to 7 episodes, but the first 4 episodes came on February 19th, but the first episode came early before the 19th on Amazon Prime, before the second 4 episodes, the 5 to 8, premieres on February 1st. It takes like 2 weeks to prepare, but the fifth episode came on the 25th. For episodes 5 to 6, and yeah, so that's about it. So I cannot wait, and I am so excited for Haspin Hotel Season 2 because I cannot wait to react to the 8th episode, the finale of the Season 1. So yeah, I am so excited to see this happening. So yeah, let's begin of the Haspin Hotel Episode 8, the Season 1 finale, and hit it! Here we go. Yeah, I know. Do not spoil it for me. I've seen the clips of it. All the songs get a lot of views. I saw on Twitter, like the post and all the songs and episodes going on. Welcome to the Haspin Hotel Season 1 finale episode reaction. Woo! On Prime.
Yes, team. Let me see that.
All right.
Oh, nifty.
Try coming in
Pinches.
Teamwork makes the dream work. That's not how you...
Yeah, get in there.
No fucking way. They're gonna fight? Oh my god.
Oh, it's you again.
Looks like your little hotel didn't work out so well. Oh, Alistair, I cannot wait to watch you get fucked.
Oh.
I wish my mom was here to see this.
The cannibals seem ready to fight. Are we?
Like Avengers and Superhero Squad.
Victorious combat.
What in the hell are you supposed to be?
General Pinches reporting for duty. I'll turn these rat scallions into soldiers in no time at all.
Thank you, Pen. What can I do to help?
I'm glad you asked, soldier. The base needs fortifications. Reinforce the southern wall. Create a moat around the perimeter to stop a ground assault.
How about this? If you see an angel, stab it.
Uh-oh.
Not him.
I'm not. The Exorcist one.
Listen up, sinners! We got 24 hours before the extermination begins. Let's get to work.
Oh, they suck. Oh, they suck so bad. Oh, they're gonna fucking die. They're gonna die.
So what?
Well, I want to thank everyone for coming, even people who aren't staying.
Now
yet.
playing.
Jerry, look,
I was like a suitor.
Okay, especially when I get to tag team with this fuckhead. Tomorrow, the Exorcist Angels will face a hell ready to defend itself and win.
Yeah! Yeah, we will. Tell him, baby.
Tatakai.
We are going to win. But in case we don't, I want you all to know that getting to know you has been the biggest honor of my life. Whatever adoption really means, I know you all tried. I have seen the good in all of you, and I'm just... I love you all so much, and live tonight however you want, because we're all gonna die!
All right, let's give it up for not dying. Love not dying. Drinks? I mean, personally,
Same.
I'm excited.
Love not dying is good. I mean, it's a good thing.
This could be...
Here's to being alive today and not dying tomorrow.
The celebratory night before a courageous last stand. It's been a surprising thrill to witness these wayward souls find connection. Almost makes one sentimental, eh, Nifty?
I really like them, Alistair. They let me put on roach puppet shows without booing.
An enjoyable collective to be around. I admit one could get accustomed.
I dub thee King Roach.
Oh, to understand your twisted little mind. Oh.
Last day of Afterlife, and you're not off snorting a line off some hunk's abs?
You fucked one cannibal pool boy, you fucked them all.
I guess you have changed.
Hey, Charlie said live tonight however we wanted. So pour me a fresh one, and let's get to living.
Miss Bomb. Cherry.
Yeah.
I want to tell you that I
the heart.
love
You?
I'd love to wish you good luck in the battle ahead.
Okay.
You have always been a worthy opponent with the most brilliant, explosive contraptions.
Finn's the
I've ever
pilot.
seen.
Thanks?
Anyway, I guess. Please don't die tomorrow, okay? Bye.
You know,
Okay.
tap that.
Don't be gross.
Guys, you know, I hear he's got 2 dicks.
Huh.
Wait, what? What? Seriously?
Charlie.
I'm sorry. I'm just so scared. What if we lose?
You've already done so much. So many lives you've changed. So many souls you've touched. And in the end, if it's only me you saved, there's something that I've been dying to say.
Oh, this is like the first
More than anything.
that we thought we were waiting for. I mean, it's been a year. Like the GIF part, like the leaked in a preview.
I love you more than anything. More than anything.
Extermination Day is here, bitches. We're gonna go down and exterminate demon ass.
Destroy that ass!
Prepare to slaughter
Or
every
smack
sinner
that
in this
ass.
hotel. And you all
Or
remember
clap them.
Veggie.
Quit Badgie's cutmouth out her ass!
You just chill, dude. Fuck. Anyway, whoever brings me Vagie's head gets I don't
Faggy.
know, $1 million heaven bucks.
Not Vaggie.
Huh? Yeah! Ladies, let's fuck shit up.
Oh boy, this is gonna be like the end game. Oh.
Here they come. Get ready, everyone. We fight together.
Ooh.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Now, for your souls.
A thimble.
Let's fuck them up!
Oh.
Let the slaughter begin.
Oh, dang. Oh.
They appear to have some kind of shield, sir!
Oh, really? I didn't see this giant fucking shield in front of me, you dumb bitch! No shit!
Oh.
That's how they can kill us? With our own weapons? Fucking weak, dude! Come and get some!
Shrapnel fuckers!
All angelic weapons, fire at will!
Hey, yelling while fighting doesn't help.
See? They're already. Okay.
Shield is working!
Trying to focus, sweetie.
We might actually have a chance!
Love the optimism. Still trying to focus.
Ooh.
Fucking over this.
Oh, damn. He did it one punch. Break the shield. What is he, Saitama? Ooh.
Oh, fuck!
And Peppa doesn't care.
First man, next to die.
Who the fuck are you?
Alistair.
The radio demon, opposite of Autumn.
I'm about to end your fucking life.
Nice voice. Don't you know jazz is for pussies?
What? Ooh.
You really think you can take me on? A mortal soul is no match for me, edgelord.
You should know better than anyone what a soul can accomplish when they take charge of their own fate.
Ooh.
You think you're tough shit?
What the heck?
I'm tougher than you. You lack discipline, control, and worst, you're sloppy.
And you're...
Ooh.
Fuck you, you red piece of fuck... Too much fucking red... Fuck... Shut up!
Poetry.
Man, he got the venom in him.
Shit-eating grin off your face, cause radio is fucking dead!
What just happened? Fuck.
Ooh.
Yes, fuck you, Alistair! This is better than sex!
Have to disagree with you there. Radio's not dead, but it is ending this broadcast.
What?
Bye, bitch! No! Fuck you, pussy! Right, take it on! Left leg, watch
It's like reacting to a YouTube videos. Ooh.
Not my name, but got it.
Sorry.
Now's not the time for that, babe.
No, right. Die, motherfuckers!
These fucking angels won't stop coming. Okay, I walk right into that.
Hold that thought.
Ooh.
Right,
Nice.
Squirt.
I nearly
You right, Squirt?
scrambled myself.
Get somewhere safe.
Suck my holy life, fuckers! Yeah! But Alistair was supposed to handle him. No, he must be.
Dead.
We aren't gonna last long unless we do something about him.
Of course.
I'm trying to fight here. You out of your
Oh.
fucking mind?
Yes.
Oh.
Cinnabon, I love you. Remember me.
That was kind of hot.
Even sexy.
Activate thrusters and charge the death ray. Yes, sir.
The death rate.
Hey, crazy motherfucker.
Target in range.
Fire.
Fire.
What?
Do it.
That could have been ugly.
You did good, buddy.
No.
Charlie, I'm so sorry.
But is Lucifer gonna join?
Razzle, dazzle.
Ooh.
Let's ride.
Ooh. That is crazy. Like Kamen Rider Ryuki episode final
The
movie.
traitor came to
They ride on the dragons. Ooh! Damn!
Before I take your life, I'm going to tear that other eye out of your
Ooh, the
face.
anime
Try
fight.
it, bitch.
Oh! Ooh! Oh! Ooh!
Surprise, bitch!
Oh!
Risking your immortal life for sinners? That's some crazy shit. Even for Lucifer's
Bro,
wrath.
Adam is the worst
Sinners
villain.
are my family.
These
Right.
sinners are my family. Do you even hear yourself? You should have stayed in your place, girly.
Ooh!
That's Princess of Hell to you, pig.
Fuck! That hurts!
Ooh.
Okay.
You always were weak. So,
Ooh.
I'll spare you the pain of seeing your demon bitch die.
Well, she
Do
did.
it then. Correct your mistake.
Seriously, you're pathetic, you know that? Ready to die rather than accepting mercy? No. Live. Live knowing that you only do because I let you. Failure.
Ooh. Saggy had the point, though. Damn! She just ripped her arm off!
This fight was cute and all, but it's time to die with the rest of them. Charlie!
Oh! Oh, Lucifer Joy! Ooh.
Sorry I wasn't here sooner, sweetie.
Okay, seriously. How many of you freaks do I have
face.
to fight?
Oh, I'm the only one that matters. See, you messed with my daughter, and now I am going to fuck you!
He's like, Nani? Angel's face! Angel's face is like,
what you been up to since eating?
like, I like to see him try.
You judging me? You're the most hated being in all of creation.
Well, your first wife didn't seem to hate what I had to offer. For the second.
Fucking end you!
Whoa! It's me! Not even close. Nice try, douchebag.
Hold still, you slippery fucker!
Ooh! Damn!
I got you.
Dad, look out!
He told me you the angle cut.
Wait, what the fuck?
Ooh.
You come at me and my daughter? Don't forget, you're in my house, bitch!
Ooh.
Whoa, whoa, Dad. He's had enough.
How's mercy taste, you little bitch?
Damn, that is
You don't
crazy
get to end this.
and
I'm
hilarious.
fucking Adam. I'm the fucking man, and you're just some fucking
But wait,
clown or
where's
something.
Nifty?
I started everything on Earth. All of mankind came from these fucking nuts. You all should be worshiping me, you ungrateful, disgusting, fucking losers. Ah!
Whoa! Hey, you got something sticking out of your thing there.
Oh!
Nifty.
Holy shit.
Damn. Uh-oh.
Sir! Sir! Stay with me, sir! Adam! It's over.
Take your little friends and go home. Please.
Damn.
Retreat! All exorcists fall back!
Well, damn.
So, who's up for pancakes?
Good evening.
Oh.
I'm Katie
Oh.
Killjoy.
Brandon Rogers.
Nobody gives a shit who you are, Tom. Breaking news, Extermination Day is canceled. Charlie Morningstar managed to fend off the angelic attack with more than just nice words. In an unseen turn of events, our demonic head honcho Lucifer stepped in to save his daughter's ass in the last moment. We're also hearing reports that Adam, the angelic legion's first man and totally fuckable bad boy, has been slain by a
Scare me.
said, quote, Charlie told me to stab, so I did. Anyway, congrats to Charlie and her crew for not being totally fucking useless for once.
Oh, the cat.
They're there. It's okay.
Oh, Fat Nugget. Happy first week, third pension.
He did it for us. The ultimate sacrifice. He gave me his trust. And look how we paid the price. This bloodshed could have been avoided if I convinced heaven to work together. I took a hotel and I destroyed it. I know I could have done better, better, instead of letting you down.
Come on, little frown in the last 10,000 years. You're the first one to change.
Reference of the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Rita's line.
You can do this. Now I know it. For your story is just begun. You can't quit now. Hell, you owe it. There's still damage to be undone. You've changed my mind. You've touched their hearts, found the good in souls gone bad. The stage is wrecked, the crowd is gone, but by God, Charlie, the show, it must go on.
Always.
We can do this, we can build it. Best hotel that you've ever seen. Twice the bedrooms, we can fill it.
With more sinners than you can dream. It starts with you, you know it's true. Fulfill your destiny.
So long as I've got all of you with me.
Ooh.
To build a hotel, I think we need some brick and lumber.
Good thing we're in hell. Check out this little man.
Ooh.
Our remedial creation from me.
No time for crying, we got a lot of work to do, and we gotta try and make the best of what's in ruin. New coat of paint,
New lights across the marquee.
with a little sorcery.
After the battle, masterless cattle, overlords hanging by a thread. With a bit of bravado, maybe tomorrow we'll be atop the heap. While the rest of hell's pissing, Alistair's missing, bled with his tail between his legs. Nature abhors a power vacuum, it leaves room for you and me. The future of hell belongs to the V's.
This place.
Oh, he's alive.
There's a chill in the air, and I barely escaped.
I thought he was dead.
Being killed by a hair. Great Alistair altruist
Ooh.
died for his friend. Sorry to disappoint, that is not where this ends. I'm hungry for freedom like never before. The constraints of my deal surely have a back door. Once I figure out how to unclip my wings, guess who will be pulling all the strings?
Aw.
Redemption may take a while.
Wow.
And we're doing it with a smile.
We'll make a difference, wait and see. We're gonna do this, you and me.
And then tomorrow it will be a fucking happy day in hell.
Oh, it's another version of Happy Day in Hell. Wow. Amazing. But oh, he's in heavy now.
Where am I? Oh. Hello.
Wait, what?
Adam is dead. Your deal is done, and I'm in charge now. Your brat is threatening the very foundation of heaven. And if you want to stay here, you're going down there and stopping that bitch. You understand?
What?
Lilith.
What? No way. Lilith, Charlie's mother, is in heaven? What? Oh my goodness. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, that was ironic. And Sir Pentious is in heaven. Wow. Like, just wow. Man, I'm loving this finale. Man, this whole battle against the Exorcist Heaven, it is really crazy. It is just like, exactly like the end game of Avengers. I mean, it's going to be Hazbin Hotel Endgame of The Show Must Go On of the first season. Wow, this is really amazing. This is so awesome. Man, I cannot wait to see what will happen in this season 2. And I hope if they're gonna meet Sir Pentious again in the heaven, or if Sir Pinch is coming back to hell? Or what if they could visit heaven and see Sir Pinches? Wow, this is really crazy, and rebuilding the whole hotel. Just like a Casino Zeter type, but Hazbin Hotel. Man, this is so awesome. Man, I love this. But overall, this episode is 10 out of 10 for the greatest awesome finale episode. Man, this is totally went crazy. And all the battles with Charlie's friends versus Adam's Exodus. This has gone insane, and Luke's arm got off. Man, there's a lot of anime fights. This is part of the top 10 anime fights. But this is pretty crazy right there. This is legit. Like, that is really gone insane. And they did another Happy Day in Hell is another version, like the Charlie singing. Now we got the Hell of a Boss reference cameo in it of the mailbox in the first episode. Man, this is now incredible. I mean, Hazbin Hotel Season 1 is awesome and amazing, and something off about the villains too. Man, yeah. So yeah, if you guys know, hit the like, favorite, comments down below, subscribe. And I know we recognize some of the voices of the characters who did their own characters' voices from the Disney shows and movies and Pixar's. That we know who did the voices. We know Baggy is the voice of Goslin in DuckTales 2017, and the main character from Encanto, Nipsey, from Lena from DuckTales 2017, and Charlie's voice, which one? I'll just look it up like after I finished it, so I should do the review to the season 1. Yeah. Though, if you guys know, hit the like, favorite, comments down below, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. And then, I'll see y'all later for more reaction videos by VizzyPop. And I cannot wait to see about Hazbin Hotel Season 2. To know the release date, if it's going to be in mid-2024 or late 2024, or it's going to be in early 2025, if we could continue for more Hell of a Boss Season 2 episodes, release date 2. And yeah, peace out. Boop.